there on Front Street.
Hey, can I have your honey butter chicken biscuit? Thank you. Can I have some ketchup, please? So y'all, my uncle let me hold his headset because I can't find mine. This is old headset. But when he gave it to me, it was together. And as soon as I tried to clean it with alcohol, it like snapped in half. So I know he's gonna curse me out. But I'm gonna put some tape on it. He'll be all right. That's my uncle over there, y'all. He getting gas. I'm waiting on him to move so I can pull up because his trailer is like in the way. And the way this gas station set up, like it's real small, it's real tight. I gotta wait on him, then I'm gonna put some gas in the reefer. Hey you guys, so I did want to come on here and say a few things. Now the reason this video is filmed vertical is because originally I planned on just making a TikTok video, but then again I thought about YouTube. It's been a while since I've uploaded anything, so I decided, you know, why not just put it on here. This video is very short. Like I said, it was supposed to be strictly for TikTok, but I decided to also put it on YouTube. So I hope you guys do enjoy. And yes, I still have my truck. I am still driving. Yeah, but I had Wendy's this morning. Now I'm having it again for lunch. My uncle and I just made it here to Walmart. We are both dropping our reefer trailers here due to the tropical storm Debby. The stores are needing trailers just in case they lose power. So we are dropping in the front of the store because the back is completely full of trailers. see it, but the storm is definitely here. I'm just now making it home, and it's 4:29.